Looking for an affordable travel destination with rich history and vibrant street life? Then Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam, might be just what you're after. Nestled on the banks of the Red River, Hanoi is a city that wears its history proudly on its sleeve, showcasing incredible centuries-old architecture alongside bustling modern city life. It's a city where you can step back in time as you stroll through the old quarter, then be catapulted back into the present as you navigate through the thrumming energy of its bustling markets. But it's not just the city's captivating blend of old and new that makes it a must-visit destination. Hanoi is also a haven for the budget-conscious traveler. From affordable accommodations and inexpensive yet delicious food to economical transportation options, Hanoi offers an immersive cultural experience without breaking the bank. So, why exactly is Hanoi a budget-friendly destination? Let's delve deeper. Firstly, Hanoi offers a range of affordable accommodations to suit any budget. In the heart of this vibrant city, you'll find everything from cozy hostels to budget-friendly hotels, each exuding its own unique charm. Let's start with hostels, the go-to choice for backpackers and solo travelers. In Hanoi, you can find a comfortable bed in a shared dormitory for as little as $5 to $10 per night. Many of these hostels offer free Wi-Fi, breakfast, and even social events, providing immense value for your money. For those who prefer more privacy, budget hotels are a great option. Typically ranging from $15 to $30 per night, these accommodations offer private rooms with ensuite bathrooms. Some might even throw in perks like air conditioning, daily housekeeping, and cable TV. But what if you're traveling with a group or family? Fear not, Hanoi has got you covered. Serviced apartments and guest houses offer larger spaces with multiple bedrooms and kitchen facilities. These accommodations can range from $30 to $60 per night, offering excellent value for groups or families who prefer the comfort of a home away from home. Want a touch of luxury without breaking the bank? Boutique hotels are your answer. With prices typically between $40 to $80 per night, these hotels offer stylish rooms, on-site restaurants, and often stunning views of the city. And let's not forget the rise of vacation rental platforms like Airbnb, where you can find unique accommodations, such as traditional Vietnamese houses or modern city lofts. Prices vary greatly depending on location and type of property, but you can expect to find options starting from around $20 per night. So whether you're a solo backpacker, a couple on a romantic getaway, a group of friends on an adventure, or a family on vacation, Hanoi has an affordable accommodation option for you. With such a wide variety of affordable options, finding a place to stay in Hanoi that suits your budget should be a breeze. Secondly, Hanoi is a food paradise for budget travelers. Now let's talk about the culinary scene in this vibrant city. Hanoi is known for its street food, offering a smorgasbord of delicious and affordable local dishes that you simply can't miss. First up, we have the iconic pho, a traditional Vietnamese soup made with broth, rice noodles, and meat. Typically, a bowl of pho ranges from $1 to $3, depending on where you eat. Then there's the banh mi, a Vietnamese sandwich that's a delectable fusion of meats and vegetables from both the French and Vietnamese cuisines. You can find this culinary delight for less than $1 at many street food vendors. Next, let's talk about bun cha. This dish is a Hanoi specialty that features grilled pork and noodles. It's usually served with a side of fresh herbs and a dipping sauce. The price? You're looking at around $2 to $4 for a hearty serving. But the list doesn't stop there. We have nem ran, also known as Vietnamese spring rolls, filled with ground pork, mushrooms, and vegetables. A portion of these delightful rolls will set you back just $1 or $2. How about a sweet treat? Try che, a traditional Vietnamese dessert made from beans, jelly, and coconut milk. It's a steal at less than $1 per serving. And let's not forget about the beverage scene. From the traditional Vietnamese coffee that costs under $1 to the locally brewed bia hoi, also known as fresh beer, for about 30 cents a glass, your thirst is well catered for without breaking the bank. In Hanoi, not only do you get to experience an explosion of flavors, but you also get a first-hand experience of the local culture through its food. The city is teeming with street food vendors, local markets, and small eateries where you can sample these dishes and more. With delicious food that's easy on the wallet, you're sure to satisfy your taste buds in Hanoi. Thirdly, getting around Hanoi doesn't have to cost a fortune. It's a city that's well equipped with a variety of public transportation options that are not only efficient, but also friendly on the pocket. Let's start with buses. They are the most popular form of public transportation in Hanoi. And why wouldn't they be? With fares starting as low as just under $0.25, You can traverse the city without breaking the bank. They cover a wide network of routes, making it easy for you to get to any part of the city. Now taxis. They are slightly more expensive than buses, but still affordable. A ride can cost anywhere from $2 to $3, depending on the distance. And with a plethora of taxi companies operating in the city, you won't have any trouble finding one at any time of the day or night. Then there's the option of renting a motorbike. This is a popular choice among the adventurous souls who love the thrill of zipping through the city's bustling streets. The rental cost is around $6 to $8 a day, fuel costs not included. It's a fun and economical way to explore Hanoi on your own terms. But if you're not up for the hustle and bustle of city traffic, consider using the city's bike rental services. For less than $1 a day, you can pedal your way around the city. And let's not forget about the city's expanding metro system. Although it's still under development, it promises to be another affordable and efficient means of getting around Hanoi. So whether you choose to hop on a bus, hail a taxi, rent a motorbike, or pedal a bike, you'll find that getting around Hanoi is not only convenient, but also easy on the wallet. With affordable transportation, exploring Hanoi and its surroundings is easy and budget-friendly. Lastly, budget travelers can often find cheap flights to Hanoi. Now, the cost of a flight can vary significantly depending on where you're flying from, the time of year, and how far in advance you book. But let's give you a ballpark figure to start your planning with. If you're flying from the west coast of the United States, for instance, you're looking at a range of around $700 to $900 round trip. Those flying from the East Coast might find fares a bit steeper, generally falling somewhere between $800 and $1,000 round trip. If you happen to be jetting off from Europe, you're in luck. Direct flights from London to Hanoi typically range from $500 to $700, while flights from cities like Paris or Berlin tend to hover around the $600 to $800 mark. For our friends down under in Australia, you can usually snag a flight for anywhere in the $500 to $700 range. And for those in nearby Asian countries like South Korea or Japan, budget flights can often be found for under $300. These prices, of course, are ballpark figures. The actual cost of your flight will depend on a variety of factors, including the airline you choose, how many stops the flight has, and how far in advance you book. And that brings us to an important point. Flexibility is key when hunting for cheap flights. If you can be flexible with your departure and return dates, and even your departure airport, you're more likely to find a deal. Many websites and apps offer price alerts, which can notify you when the price of a flight drops. So, with a bit of careful planning and flexibility, flying to Hanoi doesn't have to break the bank. In conclusion, Hanoi is a dream destination for budget travelers. This city is a treasure trove where affordability meets rich culture and vibrant street life. It opens its arms to travelers, offering a range of low-cost accommodations that don't compromise on comfort or convenience. Whether it's a quaint guest house or a budget hotel, there's a cozy, affordable place waiting for you. Then there's the food, mouth-watering dishes that are as light on your wallet as they are on your palate. From steaming bowls of pho to sizzling street-side barbecues, culinary delights are never more than a few steps away. Navigating the city is also a breeze with economical transportation options. Whether you choose to ride a cyclo or take a local bus, getting around won't break your bank. And let's not forget the cheap flights. With numerous airlines offering competitive fares, reaching this vibrant city has never been more accessible. So, if you're looking for an affordable travel destination with rich history and vibrant street life, why not give Hanoi a try?